Otto,
testing the screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, we saw it.
It's great to see you today. I hope you're doing well and are ready for our session. Let's dive right into it and get started.
Okay. Go ahead, Otto.
Thank you for inviting me. I am starting with a very basic sample, but it gets a bit stronger then. This first sample I'm only refreshing what the web page consists, because we are not all of doing the same kind of programming. I am using HTML and JavaScript and Mod-Harbour on the backend, and some of you are using T-Web, so this is not clear for a web page. Basically, every web page has a doc type, has the HTML tag indicating the document, and the head. This tag is used for metadata, page title, CSS, etc., and the body tag. The body tag is interesting for us as we have our content in the body tag and images, media, and so on. Now, as we are using Mod-Harbour, we have to, same as if we use PHP, we have to enclose this HTML code into Mod-Harbour tags. And this is, in our case, we have function, as every Harbour program, return, and we have the syntax to enclose HTML with template and end text. And between this is the HTML running. I don't know, Osvaldo, can I go ahead this way?
Okay, give me 1 second, Otto. For the people para la gente que está ahí adentro, Otto usa Mod-Harbour versión 1. Todavía no se cambia a Mod-Harbour versión 2, 2.1. Entonces, su servidor es Apache, para todos los que están viendo. El servidor es Apache y está usando Mod-Harbour versión 1. Ahí lo que está mostrando Otto precisamente es un PRG, y en ese PRG incrustando en un texto el HTML, toda una página. Creo yo que Otto comenta también que va a estar trabajando en el body prácticamente. Go ahead, Otto. You can continue.
Don't be afraid that it remains that simple. At the end, I will have shown you all how to get to this program. At the end, we will have this program running. Just a moment.
Otto ha dicho que no se preocupen, que que al principio parece simple, pero que incrementalmente va a ir aumentando la complejidad para que al final de la sesión podamos tener un programa funcionando, según su método de construcción. Perdón, ¿quién hablaba?
Do you see the program in the background? I will show these basic actions: edit, delete, add, and some other modules. So I'm starting. Charlie asked me to show the way I do my programs. I start usually. This is a bit out of the. With Google search, and I searched for Bootstrap table dashboard, and you get a lot of results for a dashboard, and I choose Hyper-V, excuse me, Hyper. That's the wrong link. Get this one. For my development and for this sample I will show you, I start with the Hyper dashboard. This is a paid one, but you can take whatever you want. This is only my personal prefer.
Give me 1 second, Otto. Give me 1 second. Algo interesante que dice Otto, Otto utiliza un template hiper, ¿quién sabe qué? Hiper dice, y se me hace interesante el hecho de que Otto utilice todo un template ya hecho. Entonces ahí creo yo que lo que va a hacer Otto es utilizar ese template y modificarlo con las herramientas que él tiene. Eso creo.
Por lo que voy interpretando, Otto lo que hace es no construir desde cero, sino agarrar ejemplos ya hechos y empezar a hacer sustituciones para poder comandarlo desde Harbour.
Sí. O sea, la forma más fácil yo siempre lo he entendido así. O sea, una vez que estás iniciándote, lo más fácil es cogerte un template hecho y modificarlo, ¿vale?
Sí, es interesante.
Yo cuando he intentado explicar a alguien cómo empezar en Mod-Harbour, siempre he empezado diciendo que lo más fácil es usar el template en text y soltar ahí el código HTML que te dé la gana, ¿vale? Y luego lo modificas a tu antojo. Vale.
Sí,
aunque parezca redundante, lo explico para gente que acá puedan no entender.
No, está bien. Toda aportación es válida.
No, yo creo que estamos bien.
Mientras más se explique, mejor queda luego para todos, ¿vale? Así que agradecido también por todos. Otto, continue, please.
Yes, I have downloaded Hyper and extracted to my hard drive on the server, and I go into the distribution of Hyper and take a sample. On the other side of inside my directory, my HD docs on the server, I create a template, a theme, meeting template, meeting first, and I copy the assets where all the libs and the CSS belonging to the templates are, and the index. Then close this, and I test the template now running on my server. This small program only converting the domain names, localhost. And you see this is now the template coming from my server. I only download it and extract it. And you see, this is coming from localhost meeting first index HTML. And this is I think, a very impressive template. You have all navigation. You have all the navigation, multi-level navigation. You can change the black dark mode. This is all ready to go. And that's the basic I take. And now, if we look to this close, don't save. If we look into this HTML sample, this is it's very it has many lines and it's more than 2,000 lines, and it's not so easy at the first to understand what's going on. But I will show you the way how I do. As I told you first, a web page consists me as out of these parts: head, body. So also this big or huge application consists only of these parts. And now Harbourino comes into play. What we did before manually, I have written a little program to convert HTML into PNG file. Why is this? Because this is much big, not just a move. That's not. I go put it here and say create Harbourino main file.
Otto, give me one second. Hay una utilería que Otto utiliza y él le llama Harbourino. Él juega mucho con esa utilería, me imagino que él creó precisamente para insertar códigos, corríjanme si estoy mal, para insertar código, a copiarlo y pegarlo en el clipboard y luego ya pasarlo a su fuente. Interesante porque dentro de ese código Harbourino, él ya tiene definido algunas, creo yo, clases para meter propiedades a dichos objetos y luego copiarlos.
Sí, así es. Así es. Lleva trabajando en Harbourino desde prácticamente el principio de que empezamos con esto de Mod-Harbour y lo ha ido implementando poco a poco y tiene muchísimas cositas, con trozos de código y tal, ya automatizadas que usa precisamente para añadir al código que está desarrollando. Otto, continúe, please.
This is it. First, I check this index and say create. I have a little navigation, but it's because I'm working on a very large screen, so the windows are happy. And I use a lot total command to work. You see now the name is changed to PRG, and I have a folder index. And inside this index folder, I keep the Harbourino, what I call Harbourino blocks, so simply blocks. It's nothing special, but it's only today that I realized how potential this preprocessor is. I thought, what is the magic? Inside HTML, you don't have functions. Let me just a moment.
Otto, so are you creating a project?
It's not really. Just wait a second. This is all very, very simple. Just wait a second. This is my main file, and first identical with the HTML file. The only difference is that I have the what I showed first. I have this at the beginning. This is the first, and at the end and return. This is the only change this program made. And this program makes me this configuration and tells me that my release path is meeting first, and that my project directory is index source, and this I show later. You can also have a general tape for code you use in all your programs. So now we have it, and now change to I change the view to HTML and close, and see this is the head. And this is in practice, the head is all that what you include if you include the web. So I cut out this and create a Harbourino block. I have to switch it now because this is out of Vista. How can...
Hasta donde he visto, Otto, al momento de crear un proyecto, le creó varios archivos de configuración y metió en un PRG prácticamente todo el index con algunas variables. Ok, Otto.
You know, my main screen is you know, and this little picture, this window, what I have to say yes is out of just a moment. Go back. Bring it back. I do it. It doesn't work very well in this way, so I do it manually. Again, back. I copy this block, create, and save it, and then I say File, Save As.
Otto.
Yes.
Maybe you can lower the volume of your loudspeakers because there's echo and it's very hard to guess what you are saying.
What? I don't have any loudspeaker.
There's echo on the side.
There's no.
We hear a lot of noise.
I put it in. Is it better like this? I only have a headset and the microphone.
Don't worry, continue.
And now I save this as head and no extension. That's only, I started like this. And now I go here, delete, and say this is the Harbourino block head. Did you understand what I do? I
Yes, Otto, we
extract
understand.
that part, and now you see I have source code, I have this Harbourino main file, and I have head. And now I drag this to the excuse me, it's the picture. I didn't so and I drag this to here. Another one.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, please.
Recapitulando lo que ha hecho Otto, lo que hizo fue crear un PRG, adentro de un PRG un texto en el cual copia todo el HTML al cual él quiere ir llegando. Después va tomando secciones y transformándola en tags, porque lo que tiene él es como una especie de macroprocesador, de preprocesador gigante, en el cual hace todo el camino para atrás y después hace el camino de atrás para adelante otra vez. Es como cuando uno tiene una función o una clase y la quiere transformar en un comando de hardware y después usa el comando para volver a crear la función. Esa es la filosofía que él está usando. Go on, Otto, please.
Now I publish. And you see the file again is the release file has this head included again. Do you see it? So next step, I extract. Let us, excuse me, I must kopieren, link kopieren. You see, this is the sample we are doing. We see we have a top navigation, we have a sidebar, and we have the content. And now we are organizing our program in this logical components. So I see in this, I have here the top bar, and I copy this top bar. Create. File. Save as. Top bar. No extension. Speichern. And I insert here the link. Top bar. You see, then I go on sidebar and so on, and at the end, I don't really show this. If I wrong directory. So.
Moment, please. Si ustedes se han dado cuenta, discúlpenme si soy redundante, porque tal vez hay gente que no está entendiendo qué es lo que está pasando. Primero tomó la sección del head y lo cambió por un tag que es flechita head. Ahora tomó otra sección dentro del body y la está exportando a un archivo aparte para tratarlo desde ahí. Lo que está haciendo es partiendo en pedacitos el HTML y sustituyéndolo por tags.
Oye, que ahí valdría la pena para los que están escuchando, como lo está seccionando, por así decirlo, en template o en scripts. Entonces, ahí valdría la pena, a lo mejor, a los que les guste ese tipo de cosas, pues ahí meter de una vez si ya hay una sesión abierta o no abierta y dejarlos entrar. Pero son complementarios, comentarios. Bien. Otto, go ahead.
I showed basically how I do at the end of this process. I have these components. I have head, content page, the custom part. At the end, my main file looks like this. Top bar, sidebar, head. This is what I have showed you.
Ahí ven ya el archivo todo procesado. Cada sección la convirtió en un tag, flechita algo. Y eso está separado en archivos aparte, que después él seguirá procesando. Supongo que será un proceso top-down en el cual sección grande la sigue disecando en secciones más pequeñas y así hasta armar todo un árbol de preproceso. Continue, Otto, please.
For example, Harbourino I can exclude, and this theme settings and scripts. So the next step is that you have a look and you see in this program that in practice only the content page is interesting for the modules of your program. Wait, I don't know if you can follow me. If you have more.
Yes, we're following. Para los demás, ahí está mostrando en el panel derecho el contenido del tag content page. Please go back, Otto, to the previous page. I was explaining it to everybody.
Do you see, if I have this page, this has totally the same navigation and sidebar. This page, the template, has the sidebar and the same top navigation. This 5-in style have the sidebar and the same navigation. And this is what I want to show next. To make this more general, I put I have prepared it hyper.
Otto, I have a question.
Bitte? Please?
What do I need? What do I need if I have or I want a new section, a new custom section bar? What do I need? Perdón, lo que le estoy preguntando es que si nosotros queremos otra nueva sección, ahí Otto ya tiene top bar, sidebar, content bar, a lo mejor, y que si nosotros quisiéramos otra sección bar.
Yo supongo que si querés otra top bar, no sé por qué lo querrías, pero por ejemplo, vamos a decir que querés otra top bar, Pones otro tag de vuelta, o sea, repetís el tag y te lo copia 2 veces. Cada flechita, algo, es sustituida, es como un include, sustituida por el archivo correspondiente.
Así de
For
simple.
example,
Esto es igualito a un include.
this at the moment this program at the moment looks like this. Localhost. And where do you want this site? Where the new navigation? That's maybe it's better if Osvaldo, can I go one step ahead and then I show you how to enter things?
For example,
I will show this first. We had index, and now we have a general file, a general folder, and this general folder contains all the blocks which are important for all programs. And in the individual.
Es un proceso similar al de views o templates. Él separó en una carpeta general todas las cosas que sirven para todas las páginas. Supongo
Sí,
que después las cosas particulares las pondrá en otras carpetas.
Sí, de cierta manera.
And now, if I open you see this content. And for example, if I open Bootstrap. Navigation. Insert it here. 5, 3, 4. Oh, that's the wrong. I executed wrong. Do you see here the navigation?
Lo que hizo fue insertar una barra de navegación en cualquier lado. Como ustedes pueden ver, una vez que tienen los pedazos de una página separados en archivos, ellos pueden ser insertados en cualquier lado, arriba, o sea. Que quede bien es otro tema, pero uno puede armar una página web como si fuera un Lego con todos esos tags que está armando Otto.
Prácticamente estamos haciendo ingeniería inversa.
Para atrás y para adelante. Para mí es un complejo, es excesivamente complejo, pero también alguien puede aducir que armar comandos para Harbour, para hacer un say y un get, también es excesivamente complejo, que podrías trabajar directamente con los objetos. Bueno, son formas de trabajar, cada uno adopta la que más le conviene. No voy a decir ni que está bien ni que está mal. A mí personalmente me parece excesivamente complejo, pero a Otto le funciona.
Ahora,
No, it's not complex. It's not complex. It's you must you have here a complete
I'm not
program
judging,
with
Otto.
all.
Otto, I'm not
Let
judging.
me
I'm
go.
stating that for me it's excessively complex, but only for me. For
No,
you,
let
it
me
does
show.
work, and it's very okay.
You don't. What I started with a very complex sample. Let's say we take this. Now this is interesting. Wait a moment.
Ahora Otto va a explicar por qué él afirma que no es excesivamente complejo y que al final todo este proceso rinde frutos. Él nos va a mostrar cómo después, según tengo entendido, la gente que trabaja con él agarra esos pequeños pedacitos y arma páginas complejas.
This is the web page from this code we see here.
Okay.
From this code. When I started 2019, I tried to emulate 5-win syntax. It is more or less similar to T-Web. You see, we have a form, a date picker, a label, a radio.
En esta página él ha sistematizado todas las posibles partes de un form y él ya escribiendo flechita form radio es lo mismo que en HTML escribir todo el renglón con todas las opciones.
And you see here we have a button, ID. I switch to this. This is the button. If I fill in and we say save, I only show. Now we go to the backend AP and see the log file. This is what we get at the backend. And here you see the backend code. It's very, this is more or less pure 5-win, pure Harbour. And but what I wanted to say is when I started with this T-Web style or 5-win star, times were completely different to today. And this is one thing I want to show you now.
Okay. Esa parte.
Here I have a test form. Now I open this. Test form. Source. Test form meeting. You see, this is the code. This is the code from this part here.
Lo que yo creo haber entendido, y no tiene que ver con el inglés, sino con que no me termina de cerrar, es que creo después él agarra todos estos pedazos de tags y vuelve a generar la página. O sea que él no hace páginas dinámicas, sino que son estáticas preprocesadas.
And to get...
Eso fue lo que yo entendí.
Ok.
Let's
Me ayude,
show you now.
Cristóbal, a ver si estás de acuerdo conmigo.
Tengo mi duda, ¿eh?
I said to ChatGPT, I said give me a form with name, with last, first, street, and city. And then ChatGPT, sorry, I need source code. Do you see how ChatGPT generates the program? And I took this part and copied. Therefore, I said the times changed and copied this into this. Have you seen? And then I copy the code back to ChatGPT, insert the code, and say, so I was too quick. Please give me the labels with blue color and the input in larger letters or larger font.
Para los que no están entendiendo bien, es a joke, Otto. Otto contrató a un chalán, a un programador llamado GT y lo puso a trabajar. Otto, are you hiring a GT employee?
Sorry, no, I only want that we think about if trying to emulate 5 in syntax is not outdated, because you get so much. Then if you see, I got back from ChatGPT the code. New, I switched to this G new.
Hello, Otto.
How are you? Hello.
And I published. And the big advantage of this Harbourino of batching and preprocesses that you at the end have always the total source code. You don't have now.
Esteban, güey, con nosotros era de Esteban. No, güey, la neta no me acuerdo. Déjame, le hablo. Dame bien la fecha.
Yeah,
Ok, es un corte del 14 de febrero. Se recolectó el 15. Y es Simona, es la. A ver. Okay. ¿Qué turno es?
do you see?
Turno 2.
Osvaldo,
Yes, I'm here.
have you seen that I changed the styling code totally with the help of ChatGPT?
Yes, Otto, we saw in your example is excellent.
So,
En otras palabras, Otto puso a trabajar a OpenGT.
Sí, está utilizando una IA para generar el código que le falte.
Y no es mala idea.
And now, for example, you ask me, should we insert, we could insert now the navigation above this, or I think this step is too large for your imagination. You are too this batching.
Así como
You can't follow me.
Otto acaba de demostrar que así como primero clonó una página que descargó de internet, también puede ser algo que mandó a construir a una IA o puede ser algo que mande a construir a un hindú por $10 que le haga una página, entonces después él con su preprocesado lo mete dentro de la suya. Creo que el punto que está tratando de demostrar es que una vez que tiene todo sistematizado, puede armar todo tipo puzzle.
So sorry, I couldn't really understand all you said. But
I
let me
was
show you
stating
another
that
thing.
I was stating what you are saying about using pieces from different sources to build the final product.
This look, now we are talking about this example, and maybe I only show you if you see the content page from this. You see the content has a module title, button bars. I will go to this, the configuration. You see this example, and now we don't want to see the I save, create. Have you seen? Now you have the code without navigation, and look
So
at the code.
so the pipe and the minus sign is
This is the syntax I made.
Attack for commenting something.
Yeah, this is a comment that it is not coming to this to be. And look, you can press F12 element. You have the total. If you now want to you have the lines 1 to 1. If you go inside here, this is exactly the same source code you have here. But your work, when you are working, you have this. You see it like you are working you have it all in portions. And if you now have a look, let us look into the menu. You go, you want to add, or for example, we will add a new page to this.
Otto, 1 second. When you press the button, when you press the button project in your Harbourino XF, what does? I mean, you compile all.
That's not the compiling, Osvaldo. That's a batching. It's the same as include files.
Okay. This is lo que hace es el procesado, el preprocesado en ese momento. partió una página entera, la partió en pedacitos y después a partir de los pedacitos vuelve a generar la página entera, pero esta vez con sus modificaciones.
Sí, pero es la pregunta que que tú ahorita tenías la duda. ¿Está creando páginas?
Está creando páginas estáticas, es lo que yo digo, no está generando páginas dinámicas. Se podría adaptar esto para generar páginas dinámicas, pero no, para mí no hay.
No, estáticas, no.
Otto, are you creating a dynamic page when you press the button project? Publish, sorry?
No,
when you press the button publish, are you creating web page dynamic or web page static?
Let us go to the template, for example. This is very easy because in the content there is only form Mod-Harbour as content in this, and in this form, in this block form Mod-Harbour, there I have the test for the different forms. This is the page. Jetzt haben wir nur Menüs. You must template. So this is the template of the code we see. And now please ask what you want to know. What are you? For example, I can. I think it's too much what I'm showing, but for example, I'm changing to another form. This form. Help them. A template. This is a form with a invoice. And now that is what you ask me. If I publish this you mean?
Why do you need to publish if it's a
That's
dynamic?
Because my main file is this, and then this publish looks and sees here is a link.
You can do it either way. By on the moment of the request, and this is a dynamic page, or pre-processing it into a static page and then serving that static page.
No,
in the first case, you don't need to publish anything. If you do need to push a button that says publish, it's because you are making a pre-processing before serving the request.
I'm making a pre-processing before I, because these are all programs. They remain as they are.
So it is an static page.
The page, yes, and the content can be dynamic.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you have to compile every page before using it on Mod-Harbour.
Compile. Yeah, page. Yes, I have to page it. That it's. Look. Save. I think you have to be opener against this concept. You are very
I'm very open to the concept.
Yeah.
I'm trying to state
And
things
I-
clear
I-
for everyone.
I will show you now one thing which you should read. This is very important. Just a moment, please.
I'm stating this for everyone. I'm not judging. I'm not saying the concept doesn't work. I'm
No,
just
the concept
getting-
works. And you see the output.
I am saying this for everyone to understand what are the stages or the steps to take to use your concept. You need
Yeah,
to compile it. You need to compile
but-
it first, like
Who
like
is
a
talking?
CGI
Is,
or like
are you Angel or Osvaldo?
Angel.
No.
Otto, your concept is very good. Really is very good. The thing is, we are trying to understand your concept. That's what I say, Angel. We try to understand your concept to see if someone want to apply your concept. It's fine. Just we need to know your concept. For example, the question
We
is,
need to know what's happening and what are exactly the steps we need to take to use it. So one step and an important step, you have to pre-compile the page before serving it.
Yes, that's the only thing
Okay.
you
That's fine. It's fine. Otto, it's fine for me. I'm just trying to explain it.
Yes, look, this is the
maybe you need,
This is the Excel.
need to change the question. Why I need to press the button publish? Why?
Because, Osvaldo, because you first split your program into different files. And before, so, and then if you press publish, the files are stick together.
Okay.
My
Cumple la función de un
my daughter made
preprocesador.
me a picture which I should show you, the difference between the different programming, copian, link,
Cumple la función de un
link,
preprocesador,
copian, and
solo
she
que
said,
no en
I
línea.
should show you this picture.
Okay.
Como yo decía, cumple la función de un preprocesador, solo que no en línea. Eso tiene ventajas y desventajas. Si el preprocesado se hace en línea, no hay que apretar el botón de compilar ni hacer nada. Con el botón de compilar y se ahorra bastante trabajo el servidor porque no tiene que estar compilando cada página cuando la sirve, sino que ya las tiene todas semiprocesadas. Son formas de ver las cosas. Es lo mismo que aplica para el CGI. Yo tengo todo precompilado y bueno, lo sirvo desde un ejecutable. Son todas variantes de lo mismo lo que usamos todos.
Sí, the concept.
May I explain you one of the biggest advantages is that you have the source code one-to-one. This is for error, for debugging. You get exactly the source code which you pass to your Mod-Harbour server. This is such a, you don't need, you understand what I tell you?
The concept is good.
Yes, we perfectly understand. We are explaining it to others.
These two pictures show the difference. This is the source code. You can't do web programming without the framework because at the end the programs become so long and you can't maintain them anymore. And what I do is like this book. I split this long paper up into a book and make directories, subdirectories. This is, and therefore, when I batch, I have to batch it to release. And now, if you have 1 more minute, I show you how to, let us say, another, how we can add a new program. Let's say we have now these programs, for example, an invoicing. If I want to, so I go here, meeting.
The important thing is now we have your process clear and it's record, so anyone can replicate it if they want. Just one case, one more question. Is your Harbourino tool available to everyone?
Yes,
If
sure.
yes, if yes, how?
Please. Who is interested gets it. It's no problem. Look,
There's a link to download it, or we have to ask you for it.
You know, maybe I have to explain it how it, but it's in practice. In practice, it's only one exe, and you can also get the source code. It's no problem. But let me
either way, exe or source code. Can we download it from somewhere?
Yeah, I can upload it. I can prepare an upload link, a download link.
Perfect. So if anyone wants to try your tool, they can.
Yes, but one more. I was long. Can I have another 10 minutes?
Otto, if somebody that doesn't have a question, I would like to see the grid tabulator example.
This is Osvaldo. This is I think really hard to understand because this is a paradigmas changing this concept. Therefore, you know, first you all called me spaghetti programmer. But this concept, if you read, you insert into HTML functions, into HTML code with preprocessor, you make it possible that you also have in HTML code the kind of functions which you only get if you use JavaScript. But preprocessing, I mean, if you think of code maintenance, and that's what I wanted to show you. If I say I want another, but I think it's this is not exactly you are not open. All in all, I thank you so much for the time.
Thank you, Otto, for your demo, and for everyone. If anyone wants to try it, soon Otto will publish a download link.
Please write me a message if someone is interested. I don't put the link, a download link, because this doesn't work. I tried it. Let us stay at this point that who is interested or wants to know more about this. We didn't have time to speak about the
Bueno, según lo he entendido, y especialmente para ti, William, que acabas de escribir, dice que no va a publicar un link de download, según lo entendí, por problemas de copyright, no sé con qué, y que además...
No copyright, but Angel...
perdón, let me finish. y que prefiere que le escriban y que él les envía el exe y además les explica cómo usarlo. Y quiere hablar de cuáles son las necesidades para saber cómo puede mejorar su producto.
Está bien, it's okay. Ángel, it's okay, Otto.
Yes, it's okay, I think, yes.
Not a problem to ask you the X files and the circle.
Thank you, Otto.
Thank you,
Thank
Otto.
you for the time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate your help. Thank you, Otto.
Thank you. And thank you
Voy a
for
dejar de
the
grabar, ¿de acuerdo?
consideration.